Okay, hello, I'm Will, and this is, this is a tutorial for you on how to do some effects with Movie Maker. So, the effects, it says effects, but they're not really good effects. It's just more like filters. It's not really effects. I mean, you can change, like, the colors, and you can make it upside down and stuff like that, but it's not, you know, it's not like, if you want cool effects, if you want like a ghostly effect or something like that, then you can't do that. But with the transitions, you can. So I'll be getting to that a little later, I think. Yeah, so here are all the transitions. There's the bars and the bow tie and the checkerboard and all this stuff. It's great. And, so here's what you have to do. Oh, I don't know why I have those pictures there. It's just pictures of the thing. Okay. Soup. Just wait for it to go. Okay, so, here's the raw footage. There's me walking around up there. I'm just talking about how we're going to add some bars effects through me, and, you'll see that soon. So, the bars effects, you can see them up in the left-hand corner, not all the way up, but, you know, in the transitions box. And also, that's how you mute, or, like, you can just make stuff quieter or louder, or whatever you want to do with it. So I'm going to mute this clip, because I hate sound. So we're going to put some bars through it. Oh yeah, to do that, you just, well, I just showed you, you click on volume. You right-click on your, whatever that's called. You right-click on your video, then you just go down. It says like volume. You click on volume. You click mute clip, or you can drag the little mouse thing up or low or whatever you want to do. Okay, so here we're gonna add the effects. Here's the raw footage, actually. So I'm going to make a few poses, and then we're going to use those a little later in the movie. And, yeah, that'll be fun. So, you don't need to take a picture, but I do, because it's like stiller, you know? Okay, so here's the edited version. That's my mother. Okay, so here we go. I stopped, then clicked the thing, it's Control L. And look at the bars transition. It's nice. So what you do is you just start it, play, then pause, then click the little button, add your bars transition on whichever clip you just created, and you just keep doing that. So it's really loud in my house right now. Okay, so we're going to play it, and let's just see all of my, say stop, start it, click it, stop, start it, click it, but you don't want to go too fast, because that would just mess up your computer, and they would think like, oh, this is just one big clip. And oh, yeah, my friend Jack was saying that you couldn't change the title animation, but you can, and I'll tell you guys how to do that a little later in the video. Okay, so you go into the selected clip, you type in whatever text you want, so in this case I will put down just whatever, just random letters, and I'll keep that, and no, actually I think I'll change it. So you can change whatever title animation you want to do in the nifty toolbar up there. It says tools. You can't see it too well, or I can. I'm watching this from the timeline, just narrating it. Okay, so let's change it to Alba. That's always a nice one. I think that's Alba. I can't see it. Okay, and then it comes in, comes out, and then we are done, or we just cancel. So there's Hijack. Okay. So the background of the blue background just says it all. It says this is Windows Movie Maker. And if you want to make your videos look like they're really high class, then you should change the background of the blue. So I'm just typing in tutorials for beginners because, well, that's what this video is. It's a tutorial for beginners. Okay. Down, down, down. There we go. And then I can change the background. I think I might do that. I'm not sure. To change the background, you just go and like change title animation, and then see that little box. It probably has whichever color it has in the background. So I just changed what the letters would look like, and now they're black. And then I changed what the background looks like by clicking that box up there, and we make it yellow. And now it says tutorial for beginner, and it's a nice yellow, and it looks nice with the Alba font on it. And then we put it in the beginning, and there it is. And also you can drag text from wherever it is to wherever you want it to be, and that's always fun. So if I make something, you know, there's some text down there that I might move, and you can just click, drag it, and do stuff with it. Okay, so here's some effects that I'm doing. So this is a dissolve effect that I put in through here, and basically what I was saying, you know, start, stop, create the clip, start, stop, create the clip, add the dissolve, and you can basically do whatever. I think I'll just add a bunch of random ones onto here. Oh, that was not supposed to be there. The thanks for watching. It is not over yet. Okay, so there are some of my effects. I think these are all the random effects. I just added random effects onto there. Didn't really think, but I need to show you guys how to do that, so I'm just gonna delete these, and then I will redo it. This might take a little bit. Actually, I don't. This will take too long. It's so loud. So loud upstairs. Okay, I think we're ready. Oh, wait, there's one pesky little one. There we go, okay. So we're just going to add a bunch of random transitions. Basically what you do is you just click, drag, put down, click, drag. After you've done the start, stop, just click and drag, and we're not done. But, oh, there's a shortcut. So if you're doing this and you don't want to just like move your mouse up and click that little button, it's Control L to split a clip at 2 different frames. My Windows Movie Maker is kind of old, but I don't know how different the new software is. I think this should still be helpful. Okay, let's add this little circle thingy, and maybe some page up thingies. Ooh, yes, let's add a shatter. I don't know what that is. I think that's like spin. Okay, let's watch. So that worked. It looked pretty nice, and that's just how you do it. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Unless, yeah, I dragged the ending, the thanks for watching, all the way over, and then just it goes thanks for watching. So thanks for watching, and I think, yeah, we're done now. Okay, well, thanks for watching.